If you have been looking for a perfect charcoal grill for your home roasting or grilling of meat, fish, plantain to make boli, of course chickens and a lot more, this foldable portable charcoal griller is all you need. For people who want to enjoy suya in their house, you just want to treat yourself right. It's not all of us that will be willing to go and buy suya from aboki, which we don't know how they prepare it. You don't know the kind of meat. Well, you can use this grill. Can get something like this to prepare something delicious and healthy for yourself, just like this man. It's very easy to set up, light in weight. In fact, it is handy and it looks like a suitcase, so you can bring it out from your store and use. And of course, you can take it to outdoor camps or party of 3 to 10 people, or even for just backyard gathering. So to set it up, all you need to do is just bring it out like this. This is how it looks like when you want to set it up. Yeah, you set up the legs, spread it, then you place the inlet. Then there's a mesh where you put the charcoal. Yeah, then you put the green net on it, so you are good to go. The inside, you just put the charcoal, just like this man. I think he's using briquettes, but for our own in Nigeria, you can use the normal charcoal. Yeah, you allow it to to get burnt for some minutes. Once everything is set, then you put the net, then you put the meats and all sorts of things that you want to put on it, and add oil, add pepper, had ginger, garlic and all that. And a lot of people will be waiting to eat and enjoy it. So this is it. It's available in Nigeria. If you need one, just WhatsApp the number you are seeing on the screen and we get it across to you.